In wall and under home wiring diagram for 1991 Fleetwood single-wide mobile home. Circuit breaker all working, switch by front door not working, 2 plugs under bay window and small bedroom not working. Please help with some kind of diagram. Thank you, Muriel.
Welcome. My name is XXXXX would be glad to assist. It is doubtful that a diagram was even made for the wiring. It is normal for only the layout of the lights, receptacles and switches to be documented, since the wiring can be done in many different variations and still operate the same on each circuit. If you have or can get a 2-lead voltage tester, we can go through some testing to narrow down where the problem may be. Let me know if you wish to work on the situation with a tester.
I have someone coming over late this afternoon, and yes, he will have a wire tester. He has already used the 2-lead voltage tester. All the switches and plugs that I mentioned had no power. But the main circuit breakers all had power.
Okay, if you have a tester, this is what you need to do in order to determine what is missing on the circuit. Either white, neutral, or black, hot, can kill a circuit, and knowing which one helps when finding the problem location. Normally the problem is in the last receptacle close by the non-working ones or in the first receptacle not working. Any wire that is loose on the receptacle will kill the remainder of the circuit. Also, any wires under a wire nut that has become loose can cause the same issue. With only 3 items out, I would be looking hard at the receptacles and connections on the ones not working, and any that are close by and working. Receptacles have 1 lead in with power and 1 lead out, so it can be working, but not allowing power to the next one. Testing requires 3 tests on each receptacle. After that, many times the wires need to be removed and tested again, then reapplied to the receptacle, ensuring a tight connection. AssuredElectrical 41530.6905044456.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.